Hello everyone. Welcome to my world of English literature and language. In this channel, I will provide videos based on English language and literature. I will discuss English grammar and composition too. Today's class is on parts of speech. So let's know about the parts of speech. Before going to the definition of parts of speech, let's know first about the two terms parts and speech. What is part and what is speech? Here, part means piece or portion of a whole. Part means also word of a sentence. Speech means sentence. So, what is sentence? When we speak or write about something or someone, we use words in groups such as Dhani and Sachin play cricket in Kolkata Stadium. A group of words like this which makes complete sense is called sentence. So, we see that sentence is made of various parts or words according to their functions. These parts or words are called parts of speech. Then let's know about the classification of parts of speech. We have learned that a group of words which makes complete sense is called sentence. In a sentence, words are divided into different classes or kinds because of their functions and uses. These words are parts of sentence or parts of speech. The parts of speech are 8 in numbers such as noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. I will discuss all these parts step by step in detail. Now, let's know about noun in detail. What is noun? Name of anything like person, place and thing is called noun. For example, Ram, Kolkata, boy, kindness, gold, etc. Here we should remember that thing is a very wide term. It applies to concrete things as well as abstract things. Let's know about the types of noun. We find common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. Then let's know about common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a name given in common to person, place and thing of the same class or kind. Here, common means shared by all. The examples of common noun are boy, girl, child, village, city, ground, park, book, river, shirt. Then let's know about proper noun. Proper noun is a name given to a particular person, place and thing. For example, Ram, Sita, Gita, Kolkata, London, India, Ganga, Quran. Girl is a common noun, but Gita is a proper noun. Girl is a common noun because it is a name common to all girls. But Sita is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular girl. Then let's know about collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun is the name of a member or collection of persons, animals, things taken as one complete whole. Therefore, it refers to a group of persons, animals, things. What are the examples of collective noun? The examples of collective noun are class, crowd, mob, team, cattle, pile, heap, collection, etc. Crowd is a collection of people. Army is a collection of soldiers. Then let's know about material noun. What is material noun? It is the name given to a material substances such as stone, gold, iron, paper, cement, etc. Then let's know about abstract noun. What is abstract noun? An abstract noun is the name given to some feeling, action, quality, state, art or subject. Happiness, sorrow, fear are feelings. Deed, movement, race, laughter are actions. Justice, bravery, rudeness are quality. Poverty, boyhood, misery, sleep, death are states. Poetry, music, painting, architecture are arts. English, history, science are subjects. All these are the examples of abstract noun. We see that abstract nouns are formed from adjectives, from verbs, from common nouns too. And abstract nouns are formed from adjectives such as kind, kindness, poor, poverty, wise, wisdom. Abstract nouns are formed from verbs too, such as love, laughter, protect, protection, move, movement, know, knowledge. Abstract nouns are formed from common noun too, such as child, childhood, boy, boyhood, friend, friendship. Then let's know about countable noun and uncountable noun. What is countable noun? Countable noun is the name of objects and people that we can count. For example, book, boy, pen, doctor. What is uncountable noun? Uncountable noun is the name of things which we cannot count. It mainly denotes substances and abstract things. For example, milk, oil, honesty, gold. Here,
But remember one thing, that countable nouns have plural forms, but uncountable nouns don't. For example, we can say books, but we cannot